Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joy and today I have a new wig video for you today. The wig is by Slay Your Hair and they sent me the orange ginger lace front wig, a 360 lace wig. I got the 16 inches. I cut mine down to 14 and the density is 180%. And yeah, this is the wig right here. It's the ginger and it's so pretty. It's body weight. And I straightened it, blow dried, washed it. And if you would like to see me try this wig on, please stay tuned. And thank you for watching.
Grip the wheels, let the horses do splits. Why they trash at the chore on my list? Added a sword, but I saw with the pen. I'm eating good, Miss Caloric is lit. I sipped the potion, imported it. I on the type, watch me pour it in. Opportunity, knock at the door, they like ring. They rush for the doors and it open like biscuit. Pin stroke, game cold as the fridge. Sound wave for like more than the clicks. Cowboy bug, I surf the web for the hits. Ayy. Been gritty, don't pity, they full thing with me, been real. I'm traded, I'm hype, I'm Liddy Bendis. Since scrimmage, don't play game with me. I volley these hits like I play tennis. I grip this shit, now I live it, don't pick me. I live pill at the top through the city, now I run this. How I jotted with the pencil while they flop with the vision, jaw drop when I spit it off top. Lil' eat at least 7 figures, catch the fade when it jit me. Bet I'll count it down to the penny wave. Heavy is all on my mind, I've gotta make that edit. Wait, but I might spark that wildfire rebel when I breach. Funhouse active. King of the palace, rubber like Malcolm. Balled up fist in the air to the flashlight. Yeah, hands up in the air till they gun me down. I keep it 100, they crunching the numbers, I'm bugging out. Funhouse active, yeah, king of the palace, rubber like Malcolm. Balled up fist in the air to the flashlight. Yeah, hands up in the air till they gun me down. I keep it 100, they crunching the numbers, I'm bugging out. I just might crash it, really I ain't passive. Running from the mash, I just need cash me. I just want passion.
So that is it for my video. Thank you guys for watching. If you would like to purchase this wig, the link will be in the description box below. And thank you so much for watching my channel. Hope to see you again and see you guys later. Bye.